Hi, welcome to Yoga Time Warriors Warrior Workshop. So a warrior position, you could have your back foot either slightly tilted in or parallel to the short edge of the mat. Moving on to Warrior 2 now. So if we get that leg positioning, that foot positioning, the foot inside the inner arch there of the back foot, the foot parallel there, we have our hips open and our pelvis parallel with the long edge of the mat. As we sink down, we draw in our lower abdominals, making sure that pelvis is keeping that alignment. We inhale to draw up through our spine, drawing our shoulder blades together and down the back. You can always do Warrior with hands on hips. Otherwise, Warrior 2 has the arms here, extended, gaze past your front fingertips. And again, you do not need to be deep here. You can be up here, you can be here, a mild version of Warrior 2.